Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today it's 5:30, Sunday 20th of June. Say hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Here we are, just going through what's happening in the greenhouse today. I have back there my plug begonias from last year. They're all starting to grow nicely now. I have here my petunias from last year, my perennials. Absolutely gorgeous, as you can see, and the scent is divine. There's two echinacea plug bare roots growing there. If we come round to my top there, we have, you see there, Gypsophilia, and here we have, what do we have? The violas, and then we have Agapanthus there, seedlings, lemon balm here, looking well, mint there, dahlia there needs planting, and some begonias. As we come down here, we have, these are my delphiniums that are split. From one, I got 7-8 plants. There's a little delphinium cutting there. These are my dahlia cuttings that have been pinched out at the top there. We come round, these are my 10-week stocks. These are my Dianthus pulmonarias. Then we come up here, we have marigolds. And then also lupins there. Some more delphiniums at the bottom there. We have my sweet peas there that are really looking well. They need pinching out. I might plant them out the next few days actually. We have some pom-pom dahlias. Take some cuttings from those probably tomorrow. If we come round here, my pink, my carnation there, looking really well. Smells divine. The Bascom Snow Maiden. Some pelargonium cuttings here that have all rooted nicely. And some at the back there need watering, I can see. Yeah, I didn't realise they need watering so badly. So some dahlias here. We have some spring onions, some Chinese radishes. Here we have a tray of petunias and a tray of rudbeckias there. These are really nice, all looking really well. Come round here, we have on the top here some nemesis and some caledonias. And then we come in here, this is my cuttings propagator. My begonias, cuttings, my begonia tubers, growing nicely. And then we come down here, and what do we have here? Begonia there, my tomato plants that are just getting ready to flower. My fuchsia there, just getting ready to flower. I have some, what these are called now. I'll just come back to me though. But Delamorte floribundia there, begonia and pelargoniums that are all flowering absolutely amazingly at the back there. We have some cosmos here, a begonia cutting down there, and some dahlias from last year. They were from seed last year. So yes, everything is coming along great. Everything needs a water. It's been quite a warm day today. But yeah, I'm really pleased with everything. If you have any questions about anything I'm growing in the greenhouse, please just message me and I'll get straight back to you. Thank you for watching, everybody. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe. Please subscribe and like. Thank you very much, everybody. Say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, Paul. Goodbye, monkey.